Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you three amazing methods, okay, how you can achieve a boss braids, okay, with your natural hair or on your natural hair, okay, with no extensions. So today is just going to be learning how to grip our hair, okay, and braiding it before we can start adding extensions to it. Split your hair into three sections, then follow the illustrations as I demonstrate on how you can grip your hair and pass through the hair and start braiding it. Make sure to maintain the same grip as you braid down the hair. Switch to the underhand to braid downwards. I am on to the next method. Okay, in this method we'll be grouping the hair downwardly. The first one we did that upwardly, okay, and of course we're still going to split the hair into three sections. All right, and also the fingers has changed. Before we use three fingers, now we're going to use two fingers to grip the hair. Okay, again, follow the illustration in this video to braid the second one. Okay, make sure to maintain the same grip throughout the braiding. Both methods are easy and flexible way to do the hair. Okay, and I think I'm liking the second method. I've always done my braiding upwardly, which is the first method, but I think I'm liking the second one because it's quite easier. Okay, for the gripping and everything, it's quite easier to just begin braiding downwardly rather than upwardly, and then switch your hands on the hand and start braiding it. But again, let's get to the third one and continue to have fun here. So we are on to the third method, okay? We're going to split the hair into 3 sections, and now we're gonna hold the hair and start wrapping it on top of each other. Okay, so we're gonna be wrapping the hair on top of each other. Place the first one over the other and just like that. Okay, move it over, wrap it, and keep going. Okay, the other one we braid it downwards, upwards, and now we are wrapping. Okay, so wrapping it or moving it over to the next section until we are done. Okay, I hope with the on-screen illustration that you'll be able to at least choose a method that it will be easier for you to at least start with braiding your natural hair. Continue to enjoy until the end of the video. Thank you. Alright, this brings us to the end of this video, okay? We are glad that you're here up to this time, and we also hope that you have learned 1 or 2 things and you've also decided on which method to go with. All 3 of them are flexible, and again, you can pack them in a ponytail however you want when you're done with your braiding. But again, they are all flexible and an easy way to start learning how to braid your hair. Thank you for watching, and we hope you will be back in our next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you.